Okay, moving to the next question. क्या बात कर रही थी मैं? क्वेश्चन समझा रही थी, राइट? So question is कि it is a imaginary based question, so you need to write a conversation between you and your grandchild who is visiting you in the nursing home. So can you please come up with 2 to 4 dialogues? फटाफट लिख लो. Imagine that you have a grandchild and he is visiting you in the nursing home and you have lost your memory. So what kind of conversation will both of you have? So एक डेमो के लिए उसने यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस भी दिए, बट आई प्रेफर कि तुम खुद से सोच के लिखो तो ज्यादा बेटर होगा. टेक योर टाइम, जस्ट गिविंग यू 5 minutes to everyone. Come up with 4 to 5 dialogues, at least 4 to 5 dialogues. Okay? Okay, अनंत, तुम दोनों बोलना स्टार्ट कर सकते हो अपने डायलॉग्स.
Ma'am, can I start? I'm Aditya.
Okay.
Hey, who are you? I'm your grandchild, grandfather. No, I don't know you. Who are you? No, I'm your grandchild, grandfather. I think the problem has occurred again, that you have lost your memory. Let me call the father. No, don't call anybody. I am perfectly fine. Who are you? Cut the phone. Whom are you calling? Whom are you calling? Nanda.
Very good, nice, I liked it. मनोज, तुमने लिखा?
Listen, dear, I need to
Yes.
help you to walk. Yes, I am doing. Thank you, dear. Sit here, grandfather. Am I your grandfather? Am I your grandfather? Yes, I am your grandson and you are my grandfather.
Okay. So there are some mistakes, grammatical mistakes. मुझे ना कॉपी सेंड करोगे तब मैं ठीक करके भेज दूंगी. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise it's nice. Yes, Utkarsh.
Some people are saying, today is my grandchild is coming to meet me in the nursing home. I think I lost my memory.
I have lost my memory or lost my memory?
Ma'am, lost.
I heard love. You said lost. Okay. You have lost. So write down the other next 2-3 dialogues. Okay, it's just a one dialogue which grandfather is uttering, right? So make at least 2 more dialogues in respect of the grandchild and the grandfather. Okay. Let's move into the next question. Rutuja, are you done with the dialogues?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Follow फिर.
Okay, ma'am. Grandchild. Hi, grandma, grandmom. Who are you? Grandchild. Grandma, I am your grandchild. Grandmom, please don't call me grandma.
Your grandmother.
Grandmother. Grandchild. Grandma, you lost your memory. Grandmom, I'm not lost my memory. I don't know. Please don't call me grandma.
Your grandma.
Yes, ma'am. Your grandma. Thank you.
इसको थोड़ा और स्पेसिफिकली थोड़ा ना इसको थोड़ा सा और अच्छा बनाओ, ठीक है? इट्स नाइस, बस इसको और थोड़ा सा बेटर बना सकते हैं. तो देयर इज अ, ठीक है, स्पेस की तुम उसको और बेटर बना सकते हो. थोड़ा सोचो, माइंड यूज करो एंड मेक इट मोर ब्यूटीफुल. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, moving to the next question. The next question says, what you has mankind, has times, has your child accomplished in time frame? You don't need to answer this question. Let it go. Next question, which is based on present perfect continuous. The question says, you go to the doctor and she asks, how have you been feeling? How do you respond? Describe your any kind of illness you like. Bonus points if you can also include possible reasons for your illness. So please, let's start with Anand. Okay, चलो इसका आंसर दो. How have you been feeling? Just like you have been to the doctor and she is asking you the question, how have you been feeling? So what will you answer?
I would answer that I am feeling not much better. I have
Hmm.
I have some problem in my stomach because because of Ganesh Chaturthi food, which it started rain.
Okay, you can also say that. Sorry, just like if doctors ask you how have you been feeling, you can say that I'm not feeling well from past 2-3 days because I think I had some fatty food on the occasion of the Ganesh Chaturthi, which poisoned up in my stomach and making me feeling ill. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Utkarsh, how will you answer this question? Yes, yes. कौन बोल रहा था?
Aditya, ma'am, can I also answer this question?
Aditya, you can go for it.
I'm not good from 2-3. I have not been good from 2-3 days because I have a throat pain very which is very painful for me. This is because I drank cold drink with my friends yesterday in a party, and my throat is now loose.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not feeling better. Better 2 3. I'm not feeling better from 2 2 3 days. I in my hair in I मैम मुझे ये बोलना है कि मेरे सिर में बहुत ज्यादा दर्द हो रहा था 2 3 दिन से.
You can say you can say that I'm not feeling well because I'm having a headache from past 2-3 days.
Yes, ma'am. No, because I 2 3 days ago I attended the birthday party, and I take the many type of I took the many type of dish. I ate the many type of dishes.
Okay. So, what is the relevancy between attending the party and having the Vishesh, right? You said Vishesh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the relevancy between your illness and the party?
मैम मैंने बताया था ना, मतलब मैं बोल रही थी कि मैं जब से पार्टी अटेंड करके मैं यहाँ वहाँ पे ज्यादा से
Okay.
ज्यादा.
So, you can say that I'm not feeling well from past 2-3 days since I have attended the party, and since then I am having a severe headache. Plus, my stomach is not well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can also note this down in a copy and came up with more such ideas. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Manoj.
I didn't feel well because of I have high fever and cough and high neck pain. But
मनोज एक्चुअली मुझे समझ नहीं आया, क्या तुम दोबारा रिपीट करोगे बट आराम से? हाँ.
yes, ma'am. I didn't feel well because I have a high fever and cough with high leg pains, and I have no power
Even
to
I'm having a leg pain. I'm having a pain in my legs and
fever and
I'm
cough.
having a pain in my legs and
My fever and cough.
handcuff.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Handcuff. You mean handcuff or what?
क्या मैम?
मुझे समझ नहीं आया. हैंडकफ बोल रहे हो ना? हैंडकफ बोल रहे हो या कोल्ड एंड कफ बोल रहे हो? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. कंफ्यूज्ड.
मैम फीवर कोल्ड एंड कफ ये बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
अच्छा, यू आर हैविंग अ फीवर, कोल्ड एंड कफ. ओके, ठीक है. चलो, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रीड द क्वेश्चन, अनंत.
You run into a friend on the street, and he asks you, "How have you been?" And what you've been doing. What do you say in response?
So
You
this is a similar question to the one which we have already answered. That if you met your friend and he will be asking what are you up to. These two questions are quite similar.
yes, ma'am.
So the question, your friend is asking you, how have you been? तुम कैसे थे और क्या कर रहे थे? मतलब you are meeting after a very long time and he is asking you how have you been? तुम कैसे थे और क्या कर रहे थे? तो मनोज फटाफट इसका आंसर दो. क्या आंसर होगा?
I say I am fine and doing study to prepare board exams and do not
You can answer
attend
say,
all
oh,
of the
wait, Manoj. You can also answer this in a very proper way. Just like if someone is asking how have you been, you can say, oh, I've been great. I've been doing great and feeling well. I was preparing for my exams. That's it. This could be your answer in a very straightforward way, right? So even
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
add some of your expressions as well sometimes. It's like, oh, yes. These are some कुछ कभी कभी हिंदी में बात करते बोलते ना अच्छा hello हाँ. So this way you can also answer yes, oh, well, I have been feeling very great. I've been doing great. This way you can answer that. Okay, similar इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मेरे उत्कर्ष देगा क्योंकि पहले बाकी सिमिलर क्वेश्चन का आंसर आदित्यनंद दे चुके हैं. उत्कर्ष आंसर दो फटाफट. Yes.
Hi, I am feeling well. From past 1 week, I am preparing my exam. I am preparing for my exam.
And for my exam.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ठीक है चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं फिर. So it has this activity. Sorry, next topic is past tense writing prompts. So you will be answering questions in the past simple, past perfect form. So first question says, what did you do last weekend? Last weekend पे सबने क्या क्या किया फटाफट एक लाइन में डिस्क्राइब कर दो. अनंत,
Yes, ma'am.
what did you do last weekend?
Ma'am, I did studies for my exams.
You prepared for your exams. You were studying for your exams, right?
Ma'am.
Okay, Aditya.
The last weekend my exams got over, so I was just playing with my friends, and I also went to a place which is not near to my house. It is around 50 to 52 kilometers, and it is a mandir where there is a lot of peace, and that is my favorite place, one of the favorite place near me.
Okay, nice one. Next, Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, इतना ही था. Last week, I was working on my project.
Last weekend he was working
On my project.
on the school project. Okay, fine enough. Manoj.
I did studied for my class exam and attained the new bootcamp of MTM with new topics.
Okay, on new topics, not with topics, on new topics. Okay, फटाफट next question पढ़ते हैं. Write a short fairy tale.
माँ मैं रह गई हूँ.
अच्छा ऋतुजा, sorry. Answer दो. What
Ma'am,
did you
okay.
do last weekend?
In last weekend, I took my paper and
On last
my
weekend. On last weekend. Not
ma'am
in.
weekend ही बोला मैंने. In last
On.
weekend.
You said in.
Okay, ma'am. On last weekend, I took my paper and my paper finished Saturday, and I'm going to my friends. I'm going to friends with. I'm going to friends
Hold on, ऋतुजा.
in
There's a
your house.
correction. Okay, first of all, you said that you took exams or you appeared for the exam. The right word for that is you appeared for the exam last week, and after once the exams were done, you went to see your friend. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
please do the corrections. Okay, you appeared for the exam. It already has been done. You didn't took. You appeared for it. Okay, Anant, answer दो फटाफट.
Ma'am, my grandfather is from Hardoi and my grandmother is from Lucknow. And my
Okay.
mother is from Shahjahanpur.
Okay, what they do for work? What your parents do for work, basically?
Ma'am, business of sari.
Okay, they are into business stuff. Okay, they're
Yes.
into business line. Yes. Same for the Aditya, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. My grandfather is
Okay.
from
Okay, very good. Rutuja.
Yes, ma'am. My grandfather from AOT near the Mukher Taluka, and my grandmother is from Latka near the Mukhed, and my mom is Achigaon near the Deglur, and my father is Euti, my father is from Euti. My father is from Euti, and my parents are my parents are farmer.
We belong. You can also write that we belong to a farmer family.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am. My grandfather is from Itawa, is in UP, and my father is from Delhi. My father is
My
working
father
in
is,
bank.
you can also write, my father is born and brought up in Delhi.
Yes, ma'am. And my
Born and brought
grandfather
up का
is
मतलब
born
मैं
in
समझा देती हूँ. Born and brought up मतलब यहीं पे पैदा हुए, यहीं पे बड़े हुए. तो born and brought up in Delhi. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Continue then.
And my father is working in a bank, and my mother is home. Yes, ma'am. बस इतना ही.
Your mother is. Next, Manoj.
Yes, ma'am. My family is from Kandahar and then they transport to Mukhel in after 10 years. And my grandfather was a farmer and grandmother was a housewife, and my father is a primary teacher, a- and mother is a housewife, and we currently live in Mukhel.
Okay. Very good. So सबका क्लियर हो गया थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट कि कितने फ्रीक्वेंटली वी कैन आंसर्स अपने अपना अपना पेस पता चला सबको कि हाउ फ्रीक्वेंटली यू कैन आंसर टू समवन व्हेन समवन आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस इन इंग्लिश. सो
Yes,
लेट्स रैप अप द क्लास. आज के लिए काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस हो गए एंड सिमिलरली इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लिख के मुझे कल प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर्स में सबमिटेड चाहिए. ठीक है.
Yes.
किसी को
Bye,
कोई
ma'am.
क्वेश्चन डाउट? यस आदित्य.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय एवरीवन. तो किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है अभी फिलहाल?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Here the
ओके. चलो ठीक है. हैव अ नाइस डे एवरीवन. बाय बाय.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good
Bye,
day.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
have a good day.